Hi guys, my name's Alisia and I'm part of Talent Stage Cymru. I was in season 13 and season 14 about 2 years ago, and it was called VOTV then. On my first audition, I cried into the mic and Joey had to come up on stage with me. I'm like the most nervous person ever. I just doubted myself too much and I was scared of what other people would think. But then I quickly realised that in this industry, everyone's going to have different opinions on what you do, and you shouldn't let their opinions stop you from doing something that you love. This competition and the people that are involved, everyone is just so supportive. They give you honest feedback and advice to help you become a better performer. Joey and his team have helped me become so much more confident, and from my experience I've made lifelong friends. My advice to you all is never say that you can't do something without trying. Try new songs, challenge yourself, take every opportunity to sing a different song, a different style. For people that get nervous, everyone gets nervous, just some people show it, some people don't. What helped me with my nerves is I used to just close my eyes all the time. I'd sing in the mirror to myself, practicing at home, and just take even small or big steps every week to try and help control them nerves and try to get comfortable holding a microphone and everything. But just takes small steps every week to try and improve and be a better performer.